Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on what's going to be a hot week of weather across the ArkLaTex as we head through the middle of August. You can see the current weather pattern showing an area of upper level high pressure that is extending right over the ArkLaTex right now. We have seen a little bit of rain over the northern sections of the area this morning and early this afternoon. That will continue to skirt its way towards the south and east. And once that departs, we're pretty much done for a while. Robin's story to Futurecast shows a clear to partly cloudy sky this evening. We'll see the clear to partly cloudy sky tonight. Expect a mix of lots of sunshine and a few clouds once again on your Tuesday. Futurecast does show a spotty shower, but rainfall chances over most of the area below 10%. Then as we go through tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, we'll see a mostly clear sky on Wednesday. The dry, hot, and humid weather will continue with that mix of sunshine and a few clouds. Main story over the next couple of days is going to be the heat. You can see the upper level ridge, which is going to kind of center itself right across the southern half of the country here heading into the middle of the week, and it's not going anywhere. Notice this upper level low over the Great Lakes. That's going to dig a trough into the eastern sections of the country, nudging the ridge a bit to the west. That will give us more of a northwesterly flow and at least some hope of a little bit of rain as we close the weekend and head into next week, but it really won't do much to cool us off. And you can see that ridge kind of holding firm here as we go through the middle of next week. As I mentioned, the heat will be the main story. Heat index values likely in that range of 105 to possibly over 110. We do have a heat advisory in effect for Tuesday, and you can see that's probably going to be the case here for the rest of this week and most of next week, although it is possible we could see a little bit drier air move in during the middle of next week. Rainfall potential, don't expect much. Here's the latest from the Blenda model showing that most locations in the ArkLaTex will likely stay totally dry in the next 10 days. It is possible parts of northwest Louisiana could get up to maybe 1/4 of an inch, but those areas should be few and far between. In the tropics, we do have Tropical Depression 5, which likely will become Tropical Storm Ernesto and eventually Hurricane Ernesto. The good news with this system is that it will not threaten the United States as it makes that turn towards the north, and eventually it will turn towards the northeast and move away from the eastern U.S. coast. Other than that, all looking relatively quiet across the tropics for the next week or two. Meantime, tonight, mostly clear and warm. We'll see a low temperature in Shreveport at 77, right around 73 in Texarkana, 73 degrees in Marshall. Tomorrow, expect lots of sunshine. It'll be hot and humid. Daytime highs mainly in the mid to upper 90s. Notice 97 in Texarkana, 99 degrees tomorrow in Shreveport, also 99 degrees in Natchitoches. And your 10-day forecast shows several days with temperatures close to 100 degrees, basically from Wednesday through the weekend and into next week. Overnight lows will kind of settle into the upper 70s and not much as far as rain, just a very small chance as we close the weekend and head into next week as that upper level ridge slides a little bit to the west. So all in all, this is typically the hottest part of the year, and it looks like several more days of triple-digit heat possible later this week and early next week.